Imagine if 66% of the people you care about were completely illiterate. Your mom, dad, spouse, kids, best friends, business partners. What if 2 out of 3 of them couldn't read something as common as an email or a text message or greeting card? They wouldn't be able to order lunch from a menu or enjoy the pleasure of a good book. Literacy can open the door to unlimited opportunity or slam it shut and leave you with a future of frustration. Financial literacy, the basic understanding of how money works, is no different. Currently, 2 out of 3 people in the world are financially illiterate, and the United States ranks 14th in the world for financial literacy. You can see the negative effects of it all around you. The average American has less than $4,500 cash in the bank and less than $1,000 in long-term savings. Most carry a credit card balance averaging over $16,000, and over half of Americans can't afford their mortgage without making a major sacrifice. Beyond personal finances, your level of financial literacy will impact your education, your marriage, and employment. It'll impact how you spend your time in retirement and whether or not you have the chance to live your dreams. So, how can this epidemic of financial illiteracy be overcome? Well, there's only one way. Someone has to disrupt the financial industry, which profits from Americans who stay in debt, remain foolish about investing, and go through life ignorant about how money works. The financial industry is the largest industry in the world, bigger than the retail and real estate industries combined, ×2. Sound like a difficult task? It is. And that's why it can only be accomplished by a company with the capacity, determination, and vision to take on such a fight. That company is us, WealthWave, and you better believe we're fighting to win. Our disruption leverages 3 major components. First, we bring the innovation of team building to financial services. The average financial advisor is over 50 years old, and with so many aging out, market demands call for over 200,000 new professionals to fill the gap. By reinventing how entrepreneurs can build an unlimited business through team building, we represent the new age of financial professionals. Second, our How Money Works program is setting a new bar for excellence in financial literacy content. Our goal is to give every American access to a solid financial education, something not taught in our schools. We believe that when you change a person's literacy, you can change their life. And third, in an industry that's stuck in the dinosaur age, we've introduced state-of-the-art technology and design. It's empowering our thousands of leaders who are located all over North America to connect with people by speaking to their hearts and minds wherever they are and whenever they're ready. Our disruption is about as high-tech and high-touch as it gets. So, here's the opportunity. You can be part of our disruptive mission to bring financial literacy to millions. You can help families protect and pursue the American dream. And you can become an entrepreneur and enjoy the freedom of building a scalable business with no size, territory, or success limitations. You can do it all by positioning yourself with us. So, I encourage you, learn more about WealthWave today, where you can build a business as big as your dreams. You can learn more by visiting my website at wealthwave.com and howmoneyworks.com.